Join me as we prepare my new computing unit of work. We're doing some physical computing this half term using the Crumble Robotics Kit, as you can see here, which has been provided through TTS. Now with this class set of crumbles from TTS, it comes with all different elements, as you can see me unpacking here. Now what I love about the Crumble Robotics Kit is, compared to other physical computing hardware, it is relatively cheap and it opens itself up to so many other cross-curricular activities, loads of links to DT, loads of links to science when you're doing some circuit work. And with this bundle from TTS, they include lots of other arts and craft materials, which then just opens up so many other possibilities for how we can use the Crumble Robotics Kit across the curriculum, making it even more creative for the students. So once I've unpacked everything, we've got our USB cables, our crocodile clips, light bulbs, battery packs. They've then got the Crumbles controller and a motor and some LED lights as well. So then it was getting to packing it, so I decided to grab a few food bags so I can put all the different packs together, ready to go for my computing lesson today. Now what's great about TTS is not only have they provided the hardware, when I go to the website, you can see here that it also gives you all the resources, lesson plans, PowerPoints, worksheets for the children. The only downside with Crumbles is it doesn't work with iPads, so we've had to download it onto our Chromebooks. But the Crumbles software on your computer, very similar to sort of the Scratch-based block language which the children are familiar with. So it's really easy for them to start putting those algorithms together. So the computing lesson today was just all an introduction to Crumbles, all the different elements, and letting the children actually have a go at creating a circuit to see if they could make their motor move and also their lights flash. So it was a case of children building the Crumbles together, then having a go at creating an algorithm, connecting it to the computer. And what I loved about it is there was obviously lots of debugging going on where the children's algorithm didn't quite work, or there was crocodile clips put in the wrong place. I mean, to be honest, the worst one was how many children just didn't put the batteries in the battery pack the right way. But we did get some really good work out the children, lots of collaborative discussions, lots of problem solving, and they're really excited about the other projects we're going to be able to do over the next few weeks. So if you are interested in bringing some physical computing into your classroom, I'd highly recommend checking out TTS's options with the Crumble Robotics Kit. So many opportunities for cross-curricular learning, like I say, with DT. And what was interesting today was how much we ended up revisiting our learning in science with electricity. And so, like I say, relatively cost effective, so many cross-curricular activities that you can do with it. I'm really excited to see how else my students are going to use the Crumbles over the next few weeks.